you basically covered all your plants.
Yes. Yeah.
And then what they're hearing in the background are
And
the
then
poor fish.
They ate. They ate it. Yeah. So this one around, they're okay.
The water seems kind of cold, Mom.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really cold.
Yeah. Do you think the heater's working?
Yeah.
Is the heater working?
I don't know. It's supposed to work. I don't think it's working. It's not warm. It's cold.
Resting
Yeah.
on her rock. So
Tiffany is happy.
what time is she going? Oh, she's back. She's back in the water.
She's
Where-
okay.
Where'd she go?
He's fine.
Oh, here she is. You can barely see her. She like crept back in the water. Hi, Tiffany. Mom, what time are you bringing her back in? What time are you bringing Tiffany back in?
4:30.
Okay.
Because